Welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to our video. Today we are diving into a fantastic kitchen accessory that could change the way you organize your countertops. Organize your space with a Polio under sliding cabinet basket organizer. Are you tired of cluttered cabinets and messy countertops? The Polio under sliding cabinet basket organizer is here to revolutionize your storage game with its sleek, design and practical features. This two-tier organizer is perfect for maximizing space in your bathroom or kitchen. Flexible and convenient design. The unique sliding basket with handles allows for easy access even in tight spaces. Say goodbye to rummaging through disorganized items. High quality materials made from durable EPS plastic. This organizer is designed to withstand the test of time. The robust support tubes are treated for rust resistance, ensuring longevity even in damp environments. Easy assembly, no tools required. You can assemble the organizer in just 2 minutes by connecting the support tubes to the baskets. This hassle-free setup means more time enjoying your newly organized space. With a stellar 4.5 out of 5 star from over 12,854 ratings, the Polio organizer has quickly become an Amazon's choice product. In the past month alone, over 100 units have been sold. Customers love its easy assembly, generous storage capacity, and functional slide out feature. While some users have raised concern about sturdiness, many appreciate its value for efficient home organization. At just $21.99, this organizer is not only effective but also budget friendly. Plus, you can apply a 20% coupon for even greater savings. Choose from various colors including black, white, and multiple picks to match your home decor. The Polio under sliding cabinet basket organizer is your ideal partner for decluttering and organizing your home. Visit the Polio store today and transform your space into a neat and efficient environment. Don't miss out on this opportunity to enhance your storage solution. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more great product insights. Let us know in the comments which product you'd love to try and which product you want in next video. Thanks for watching and happy organizing. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.